guys, just going to be planting some garlic today. It is Thanksgiving, the Canadian Thanksgiving, that is. The beginning of October is traditional for planting garlic, so we're going to do that here. And one of the things we have to do, we are going to be using our zucchini patch this year for our garlic. So we always do crop rotations, so we rotate at least once a year. We move everything over one bin, so we'll have multiple bins of different types of vegetables. And these are not very big. These are just more or less like 4x4s that are sort of allocating each area, but it allows us to keep building up the compost on the surface. We do the no dig method, which is where we try not to dig too much if we can at all help it. We just let the soil build up from underneath. So I'm going to just progress here, and I'll just show you this one thing that I always do, and that is that I leave the roots in the ground. So I'm just going to come in up close here to this zucchini plant, which has done a great job this year, and I'm just going to snip that off just above the ground, and then completely remove that whole thing and put that into the compost heap. And then what we have is we've left the roots intact to naturally decompose, which is one of the first steps when it comes to the no dig method, is to leave your roots intact underground. So that's what we're going to do.